Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have stew peas, okay? And I have to let you guys know, I've been tasting the pot and it's good.
Yes. And she put my smoked turkey neck. And the last time she didn't put my smoked turkey neck, go watch our TikTok videos and go look at those comments when the people said.
Oh yeah, that video on TikTok, over 500,000.
Yeah.
Wow.
Last time she put my turkey neck in there. All right.
I thought he was going to complain about him not having enough meat in the
Yeah, and she didn't give me a lot of meat. Look at her side, family. Be honest. Make sure you look good. When you watch a video, zoom in it. Zoom it in and look at her side. She got all the good meat, big thick meat, and don't give me no meat on my side. But family, we ain't here for that. But anyways, I'm gonna give you a taste today because I'm not talking no more. Yes, before we start, the link is in the description. The greedy couple patties are here. Okay? So
amazing.
make your order and taste them yourself, okay? All right.
Honey, I wish I could ship this out.
If you want to try this, yes, it's in the Jamaican store, but they do it. Jamaican store, it's in a Jamaican restaurant. But they put pig's tail in there. I don't eat pork, so she's not gonna put no pig's tail. So she give me, I'm gonna tell you what she have. She give me oxtail, chicken foot, right? Salt beef, smoked turkey neck. What else am I missing?
That's it.
That's a lot of meat for me. So originally they put pig's tail in here. I don't rock with that. So that's it. I'm not saying no more. Let me enjoy. I'm gonna eat today, family, and just chill. So first they could talk if she want to talk. I'm just chill today because this is my favorite. This is one of my favorite. What's my favorite meal? You comment down, let me know what's my favorite meal. Damn, I don't need to put no pepper in here.
Nope.
Come like everyone give me and put pepper in
That's
food,
how I like
youth.
it.
Comment down. What's my favorite meal? And if you get it, I'll give you that shout out. Oh, they gonna get it. They don't know what I like anyway. Okay.
Your napkin, please.
No napkin. Yo. You put pepper in that thing, my you know, like you know, I give me food, my youth. Okay, look.
You see, I just ignore him. Okay?
Damn, look, see? The oxtail dropping off the bowl. You already know that's how it's cooked. This is, we didn't pressure cook it. We can make it cook on the stove. Look, there you go. Take a piece. That's oxtail, family. But this is in stew. Look. Bone.
Oh, perfect. Somebody said in one of the videos, if you guys say one more time, the problem is we're not lying. My stew peas is amazing. That's all I know. You know how many times I taste this pot today? What are you guys eating today?
That's the rice. I gave a piece of turkey neck. That's all y'all gonna get.
That's all you're gonna get?
Good, yeah. I get them a lot. This is a lot right here. They don't eat a lot like you.
Like me?
My family, you gotta eat a lot like first thing.
I'm not gonna lie, I missed the turkey neck in there.
Just give it a smoky taste.
And then
Got it on deck again, you know. You already know what time.
you can put turkey neck, turkey leg, turkey wing.
anything y'all want to put in there.
As long as it's smoked, because that's what gives it a smoke.
You made a video about this already?
You know, did I make a video on how I make stew peas? Let me know.
So.
They're gonna say no anyway.
They ain't gonna say no, huh? Comment down if you want this video. Trust me, because if y'all make this, yeah, make it to your likings. Do your thing.
I put 3 peppers in here.
3 pepper is hot.
3 scotch bonnet pepper.
It is hot.
Nothing like stew peas and it's hot. Nothing.
Ain't no grace to win no race today because this is already hot.
I feel like I should have more gravy.
Yeah, that's the gravy, dude. Okay, have enough gravy.
Like I should put it on the rice.
I'm taking out my rice off like this, breaking it in pieces.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing too. Honey, you excited to go back on vacation?
Right now, I want to win that ladder and see if I go on vacation, yeah?
Imagine we go on vacation.
There we go. I play
And
ladder.
play lotto and win a lotto. You go back to work?
All depends how much money I get.
Good answer.
You gotta worth it. If it ain't worth
That's
it,
true.
if it ain't worth it,
What's the point?
Work. But you don't gotta work hard. Cause we got plans.
That is true. That is true. Has anyone won the lotto? Well, they probably won't tell.
You ain't gonna tell. Or got a decent amount of it.
Yeah.
I win, but I don't win big.
Twice. Is it twice, honey? Or like 3
A
times?
lot of times.
Somebody in our area won the lotto.
More than that.
To the same store that we should be going to.
More than that. Do y'all play the ladder? If y'all don't have a ticket, y'all don't have a chance. The people that don't play, they're the one that will win it. I tell first lady, anytime you go to the store, just buy a ticket. I will check it for her.
Because I don't know how to play. I go in when I go in there, when Richie tell me, Richie be like, can you go, when you go to the store, can you give me a lotto ticket? I be like, no, I get nervous. Because I feel like they can just spot me a mile away that I'm a rookie.
Yep. So that's why. Yep.
He has to write it down for me. Well, text it to me. And I have to look at my phone because I don't know nothing.
Talking about that, I got a quick story time for them.
Yeah?
I said I wasn't going to talk. It's about the lotto. I got a story time for y'all, family. Y'all want to hear it? Okay, I guess not.
I know you couldn't help yourself.
I guess not. Oh! They said, of course you want to hear your story. Okay. Quick story time. This is going to piggyback off of what I just said. If you never played lotto, y'all will be the one to win it. Okay.
Oh, I know the story.
You sure you know the story?
Yep.
Tell me, give me a hint. Who is him? Okay, damn, you know
How
the
I know that?
You're too damn nosy, Mike. You're nosy,
You think we've been together for
Yeah?
20 years for no reason?
You're too friggin' nosy.
Oh.
But anyway, I have a friend. Older guy. Right, family? Yeah, I want y'all to listen now. I'm gonna eat too, but I want y'all to listen while I'm talking, okay? Story time. Okay, so.
I hate when I can't get to the bone.
More time, man. I mean, okay.
Enough time, man.
I have a friend, right, family? What I was saying before. Never, ever played lotto in their life.
Never? Never, ever, ever?
No, ever, ever. Right? So I said to him, I'm going to the store to go purchase a scratch off. I love playing my scratch offs. You know what I'm saying? I go to purchase scratch off. And he's like, okay, I want to come with you. What the hell you doing over there? I said, okay, you want to come with me? So come on.
I'm using my left hand.
So we drove to the store, right, family? I told him the ticket what to buy, the scratch off the bar.
To buy?
I told him to scratch off the bar. It was a $5 scratch off.
Wow, that's it?
$5. $5 now. And look how much you win. That's it. Buy this ticket because I already looked at my phone and it tell me the numbers and how much chance of winning, whatever and whatever. So I buy the ticket. He bought the ticket now, so he came home. I bought a ticket too, but I lost. Came home, and whenever you buy a scratch off, family, if you don't play that, I know that I play, but it's always like 3 or 4 different ways you can win off a scratch off ticket. I was telling the first lady.
Yeah, you know.
Right? So you gotta read the fine print and look what the ticket say. So he bought a ticket. I had scratch off the numbers, your winning numbers. You scratch off his winning number. Right? So I said now. So I said, scratch off the number. Okay, so he scratched it off now. Says now scratch off your number now to match with your winning numbers. So he's scratching one at a time. I'm watching him, you know, 'cause I want to make sure he's doing it right here. Like 12 numbers. Scratch off, going down to the line, going down. Like 15 times you can win. Yeah, 15 chances to win. Scratching off, scratching off, scratching off. Right, family? Nothing. So he's like, man. Then with chicken foot.
No, the oxtail, let me give you.
So you never see my teeth with your chicken foot. You see that? I got snitch on myself. You see that? Because I'm telling the story, I got snitch on myself.
What? You like chicken foot?
You didn't even see what. You didn't even see these. You had to tell her because they always tell you anyway.
I sure do.
I steal a chicken foot. But anyway, family. So now he's scratching, and he's like, see, this is why I don't play. Because you can't win. I said, listen. Finish scratching.
I'm just trying to get the gravy.
Remember what I told you, family. It's like about 3 different ways or 4 different ways you can win on a scratch off. So he scratched off now, right, family? Didn't win anything, right? But remember, there's the other way down there. So we went down to where the symbol says, if you catch this symbol, you win double the prize.
Oh, double the prize.
Double the money.
On,
double the money, yeah. Amount.
That's on the ticket.
I'm lying. Sorry. I'm
What
lying.
kind of story is this?
No, I'm lying. Because when I think about the story, he gave me a picture because he's the person running me down and telling me how to play, and he never played. You understand? Rewind. He caught one number, right? So the number that he caught, it was $200, right?
Yeah.
And then he got a symbol. That's how it is. So he got a symbol now, right? Plus the number. So it said double, right? So $200, so it's gonna be $400, right? Right or wrong? I said, you know, you just won $400. He said, no. I didn't win $400. Running me down. I said, yes, you did. He said, how? I said, look, you got to read the bottom and look what you did. You caught the number plus the symbol. He said, no, I didn't win. I said, yes, you won. I said, you want to bet? When we go to the store, we're going to cash it out. Okay? I showed him. We went to the store. Gave it to the lady. She said, oh, your prize is $400.
How much him give you?
$20. So I said, yeah, you won. I said, told you. I said, see, almost gave away your money. You know what I'm saying? If I was a bad person, I could have took a ticket and go cash and say you didn't win nothing. You know what I'm saying?
But you're not like that.
I'm not like that. So never played a day in his life and end up winning $400.
Wow. Does he still play now?
Don't have a clue. But I know I play. My family, I will win. But I'm not winning big. You know what I mean? But if you don't have a ticket, you don't have a chance. I'm trying to tell first that every time you go to the store, just buy a ticket and I look at it for her.
I'm bad luck. Every time I buy a ticket, I never win. So, and he takes it very seriously.
I don't play my lotto ticket.
He have a strategy. I don't know all that.
What I wanted for Father's Day? What you got for Father's Day?
For Father's Day, all he wanted was a beer bag of lotto tickets.
Exactly.
So I got that for him.
First day he came through.
I tricked him though.
She tricked me though, but she came through my tickets, you know? I have my strategy with when I buy my ticket, family, I don't scratch it off right away. I let it sit down and simmer. Yeah, do that. Yeah, do that when you buy a ticket. You let it sit down and wait.
Simmer.
Make it sit down there like make it wait long. You know what I mean? It increases your chances of winning more. That's why I let it sit, and then I just go scratch it. But I got the app, family. I got what's popular, how much more winnings. I got everything.
But when I went to Vegas, you did good in Vegas. Remember how much money you won in Vegas?
Oh yeah. That's the next story time.
All I know is that I woke up, Richie was gone. I said, what the fuck? What the hell? Called his phone. He's like, oh, I couldn't sleep. I'm downstairs in the lotto machine.
Family.
The slot machine. I said, oh my gosh.
I'm not done.
Yeah.
Family. YouTube is something else. Do you want to hear that story? Comment down if you want to hear that story when I won some money in Vegas. Comment down, let me know. And then I will give you that story. Okay? I just gave you one. I ain't gonna give you a 2-story one day. Okay, family? Let me know. Comment down. If you reach this far, comment down Vegas story. And I'll tell you how tomorrow. That one was good.
Okay? Once he won, you couldn't tell Richie nothing.
Stop telling the story, Mario.
My bad. I'm excited.
I tell them, if you read this far, comment down story. Big story. Wow. You see what I stole the chicken foot?
And then you're gonna teach the chicken foot. That's my favorite part. The chicken foot and stew peas is my favorite part because it absorbs so much, not so much of the sauce. Just like the what again?
What? That's
turkey.
That's a feet right there. Family, you gotta know how to cook chicken feet. You can't just put chicken feet in the pot like that and just think it's cooked.
It takes a while. If I told you that I wasn't hungry, I'll be lying to you. I was hungry.
Thank God I'm off. Vacation started. Did I tell you this is good?
Thank you.
You full?
You told me it was full. You told me it was good when he went in the pot about 5 times. But I wasn't worried about it because I was right behind him.
Tell them the story. I didn't even get finished my food.
It's hard to not talk.
What?
It's hard.
It's hard to not talk. We gotta talk. If we don't talk, they're gonna think we went to the dentist.
Dentist.
All right. I got something for the ladies today. It's not a gift. It's a word of wisdom for your ladies. And if your ladies could relate, I want you to say relate. Okay? This is for the ladies today. The first thing, I want you to listen up carefully.
Always listen.
Okay?
Always listen. Very attentive.
Okay. Let me get them word and then finish my food right here. Because I know they ain't gonna wait till they ain't gonna sit down there and wait till I finish this food. They don't do that no more. They used to do that.
I'm full.
All right.
Thank you, Lord. Delicious meal.
All right, ladies. First lady. Listen up. I want you to listen up. And I want you to say, if you can relate, I want you to relate to the females.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
You know I will.
Word of wisdom for the ladies. This is for the ladies segment today. Excuse me. Guys, the only ladies that watch you anyway. All right. Enough talking. A smart woman knows emotions can teach, right? A wise woman will use them to grow.
Yeah.
Can relate to that?
Yeah.
Did they hear? You think they hear?
No.
All right, ladies, I told you this for you. This is the time you should be like this to the TV,
Excuse me.
or your phone, or your laptop, or whatever you have. Okay? A smart woman knows emotions can teach.
Mm-hmm.
A wise woman will use them to grow.
Mm-hmm. If you can relate, relate.
If you can relate, relate. And if you want to participate, you can participate. So you can relate?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Why am I squeaking?
And if you reach this far, if you reach this far in the video, tell me how much piece of meat I have left. I have 2 trivia questions for y'all. I said, what's my favorite meal of all time? And how many pieces of meat I have left. Okay? We appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. Thank you for ordering. Whoever ordered the patties, you know what I'm saying? Keeping us busy, you know what I'm saying? But it's coming. Thank you for your true, honest opinion. Let us know. And we appreciate every single one of you. I am Richie, aka First Lady Chatty Shanice.
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Mukbang.
Bye.